kit, no medikit. As soon as all you, let's just say for example,
quick game,
that you're defending, as soon as you're all dead, you switch it round, all at a time limit. I'll do it on a time, or everybody's dead. Alright? Yeah. Or to make it interesting, shall we say there's a flag in there. We're fighting for.
Oh, you switched. Do you want to put, what's that mag? Is that the one to chuck in once you've deployed?
Oh, I was already walking around in the safe zone with it in, because it was in on my back, ready to go.
Have you got a drink? So, we're starting at the depot.
Do you want us to head down there?
You've got such a lovely, lovely smile. I'm going to let you defend.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Straight down to
So,
the
blue team's defending. Red team is attacking.
You know what?
Well, I probably would. Mine's on.
Is it?
Yeah. Sam, given what you're carrying, you might be best off going up in that.
The only issue we have is probably.
Yeah, well they can.
Helicopter game, so one is the defence, so we're the defence team, we've got to hold this the entirety. If you get hit, you've only got one life, you get hit,
You're dead.
you go to the martial area and you watch the game. The offending only get dropped off in drips and drabs, like I think it's 2 or 3 at a time, whatever, and then they come, and then when they get shot they've got to walk back to the helicopter spawn, get them spawn, so it's not like they're all coming to us, it's like 2 or 3.
How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hang on, we've got more than them.
What?
If there was 17 players, there's 10 of us here.
What? That's not sense.
Well then there's more blues than reds.
Unless you meant the 17 blue.
Oh, okay.
It depends. Welcome to our base, we can't have it.
I think it's funny when you put an armband on people that they automatically stand opposite each other and like, You've got the reds there, the blues there, it's like... Come on! Got a bit of blues.
Very much so. I wonder whether it works. Yeah.
Fucking lampshade.
Probably works in the sun, doesn't it?
I promised the blue team, because one of them came and got a lovely smile. Look at that. Oh, look at that. You can't look at that. Have a look at photograph. I'll buy this. The other side of the bridge. Blue players. Blue players, you know you got one light.
I can't fucking see it again. Water pissing on my face.
Smiling at oh wow, some jets. You're kidding me.
Yeah, they're there. I can hear some movement.
What, on top of hill? Have you got movement?
No, in the bushes somewhere up there I can hear the gun firing. I couldn't see them. Okay, I'll go here. I can see movement now over there. Right in the bush. Stand up a minute. Stand up. See where there's a marshal there in yellow. Straight through there. Straight 12 o'clock to where I am. So the marshal's running through now.
Contact, mate.
You can't shoot through that fence though, it's too tight.
Just get your head around me, mate, because I'm scoping it.
And I see movement up there as well.
Contact forward, mate. 12.
Have you got a view from where you are? I can't see anything. Do you want me to move up? Yeah, I'm gonna have to, mate.
Just put the lights in there, boys, on the lap. He was kicked on Thursday, Friday. He was kicked on Thursday, Friday. He's just got that. He's got a little tab of sand for it. It's like, off you go, mate.
Oh, hit! I'm hit. That was fucking quick.
Off you go.
I was the first one out as well.
One of them went all the way up there, up the side on the bank. Shot me straight in the chest. I was like, fuck, that was perfect.
Shot me the arm and the head. Right in the shoulder.
It's quite interesting to watch.
It's good to watch because you can get to see how things work. Boy, better attack. Head!
Unlucky guy. Unlucky.
Alright.
This is not going to last long, is it?
No. One left, no.
You're the only one left. Yeah, he's the only one left down there. So I bet that's the same guy that hit me from above. Hit, 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 hit!
Can you get to the opposite side?
No, you were the. So the guy, you weren't aware, but there's a sniper went right up the top and took me out from in the middle of the chest. Who, when you ran out, took you.
Yeah,
So he was up. He was up there.
I couldn't see. But I was pinning a couple down who were advancing towards me.
Interesting that was good.
I enjoyed that.